Hi guys, I'm going to introduce you all quickly to the OCD distribution tool from ONA Coffee. You may have seen these in the World Barista Champs, lots of people using them, and also even on our bars here in Berlin. It's a really great tool for distributing the coffee in your portafilter when you're making espresso. Normally when you grind coffee, even if you're using something like this, or if you have a really good commercial grinder like a Mythos or something, you're still going to get the coffee super uneven in your portafilter. And if you just tamp straight away on that, you're going to get lots of problems with uneven distribution. You could get channeling, and the flavor is definitely not going to be consistent. So a good way to get around that is using something like the OCD. So first of all, I definitely recommend giving it a quick manual distribution like that. But as you can see, it's still uneven. So you take the distribution tool, it's got these little blades here. It's coated metal, so it's anti-static, so the coffee grinds don't stick so much to the bottom as well. You just need to pop that on top of the portafilter and give it a little spin clockwise. Take it off, and you can see it's like perfectly flat now. It's especially great when you're in a cafe environment as well and you've got many different people using the same coffee machine. It really helps keep everyone's tamp exactly the same. So after that, it's not actually compressed. It's kind of just loosely still sitting on the top. You still need to tamp after, but when you pop the tamp on and press, it's pretty much guides you how to do it. So you're going to get a super even tamp every time. And your extractions are going to be a lot more even. It's also super easy to adjust this model. You just need to open, unscrew it slightly, and then you can wind the blade out further or wind it back in, depending on how you're dosing. So if you've got a 15-gram basket, for example, or if you're underdosing or overdosing slightly for your basket, then it gives you total flexibility. It goes with the VST baskets, so kind of like if you're using anything that's that size, like Lamazocco baskets or VST, would definitely be what we'd recommend using with this. Check it out, enjoy it, it's on our webshop.